Perpetual motion is motion of bodies that continues indefinitely. A perpetual motion machine is a hypothetical machine that can do work indefinitely without an energy source. This kind of machine is impossible, as it would violate the first or second law of thermodynamics. As perpetual motion can only exist in isolated systems, and true isolated systems do not exist. There are not any real perpetual motion devices. However, there are concepts and technical drafts that propose perpetual motion, but on closer analysis it is revealed that they actually consume some sort of natural resource or latent energy, such as the phase changes of water or other fluids, or small natural temperature gradients, or simply cannot sustain indefinite operation. In general, extracting work from these devices is impossible. In any case, the important thing to remember is that a true perpetual motion machine would be able to run at least that long. But there are ways in which we can reduce friction between contact bodies and increase the time of movement of machine parts. For example, in this swinging sticks machine that we built, we have used 3 ball bearings of 0.5 mm diameter, 2 connecting the 2 sticks and 3 long sticks connecting the wooden stand. The double pendulum's motion is very sensitive to small changes in initial conditions. The resulting chaos is interesting to look at. The weights and lengths are chosen to make it move at a pleasing speed. The swinging sticks available in market continues to swing by the use of magnets. There is no motor involved. The magnets are powered by 4AA alkaline batteries in order to compensate for the friction. However, the extra power added from the batteries is very limited, as on a single set of 4AA alkaline batteries the swinging sticks can continue to swing for up to 2 years without stopping. Similarly, second toy that we built makes use of tenacity of rope and moved for quite a long time up and down. The first law of thermodynamics is the law of conservation of energy. It states that energy is always conserved. It means that energy can be neither created nor destroyed. Instead, it simply changes from one form to another. To keep a machine moving, the energy applied should stay with the machine without any losses. Because of this fact alone, it is impossible to build perpetual motion machines. Why? To build a perpetual motion machine we must accomplish many things. 1. The machine should not have any Euro parts, any moving part must not touch other parts. This is because of friction that would be created between the two. This friction will ultimately cause the machine to lose its energy to heat. Making the surfaces smooth is not enough, as there is no perfectly smooth object. Heat will always be generated when 2 parts rub on each other, and that generation of heat is energy transference I.e., the motion machine losing energy. 2. The machine must be operated inside a vacuum, no air. The reason for this has to do with the reason listed in number 1. Operating the machine anywhere will cause the machine to lose energy due to the friction between the moving parts and air. Although the energy lost due to air friction is very small, remember, we are talking about perpetual motion machines here. If there is a loss mechanism, eventually, the machine will still lose its energy and run down, even if it takes a long time. 3. The machine should not produce any sound. Sound is also a form of energy. If the machine is making any sound, that means that it is also losing energy. For the sake of argument, leave a Euro trademark S. Just say that somehow, we are able to build a perpetual motion machine. Will we be able to get energy from it? Yes, but only up to the energy that is used as an input to start the movement. A perpetual motion machine in real life will just be an energy storage We must remember that the energy cannot be created, it always has to come from something. So, if you happen to be able to build one, you will need energy to start the motion. This is the only energy that you will be able to harvest, since, as energy cannot be created.
Thank you.